Hi everybody, Mrs. BG here, and we've got Jim.
Jim, yes.
Who's going to talk to us about the rarest model kit of all.
It is an SMP 1911 Chevrolet touring car. It was made just for that 50th anniversary back in '62. And they made the kit, and they also made a promo. So the one was assembled. And I believe there were 50 maybe made with a bubble with the 62 Chevy and the model of the 1911. Anyways, the 1911 were made in aluminum molds. They didn't last very long. There's been talk about maybe 500, maybe 1,000. Some were in there, but they were, the kits came in a plain brown box, similar to what the Lionel trains came in. And I think you had to order this through a Chevrolet dealer to get it.
Oh, wow.
The facts, I wasn't around. I mean, I was young then. Here's a little write-up. A lot of magazines and books have talked about it, but it's a very little-known kit. It was reproduced once in resin, I think Mike's Miniatures, I believe.
How neat.
But it was a very difficult kit to do. So he did a handful, and then that was it. But this is the genuine article. And actually, the story goes, and how I got it, was there was an estate back in maybe 4 or 5 years ago, full of SMP kits. Maybe you'll remember 4 years ago when a huge amount of old SMP kits were sold on eBay by an auction house.
Oh, okay.
I think it was Encore, ENC, whatever.
ANC Core?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they cleared out hundreds of SMP kits, promo models, and they sold 6 of these.
Oh, wow.
And I got a hold of 3. I have 2 now. And one of these a fellow bought from me last year, and he was with the Model Car Museum. So he got one of them. But the box is almost impossible to get. Never seen one before.
Interesting.
That's about it.
Neat. Let's take a little look here.
I have one perfect one, and then one has a couple issues of a missing hub, and there's a little crack on the frame.
Okay.
So
Neat.
it's all, hey, for what you see on eBay that goes over 700, missing all sorts of parts, you're looking at about 1,100, 1,400, some past auctions on eBay. Very rare kit. You don't ever see model cars bring that kind of money. But
Neat.
yeah, for the guy who has everything,
Yep.
this is
Well, fun. Well, thank you for telling us about that. That's kind of fun. Nice little bit of history.
Thank you very much.
oh, you're welcome.
It's fascinating.